Hi everybody, it's 11:20 and 43 seconds on May 16th. This is the drawing for the Amazing Spider-Man number 4, First Silk, rated 9.8. Over here on the left-hand side are the 13 filled spots. Gonna randomize, gonna roll 3 dice, see how many times we have to randomize. Big number 16. Name at the end of the 16th roll that comes in first place will get the book. Possible I could ship it today. Worst case scenario, it will mail out on May 17th. Good luck, everybody. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and here's the final one. 16, Frank Digi, spot 3. Congratulations. Time is 11:21 and 48 seconds.